Hi guys, in today's video I'll show you how to create a mask cut with a white flash transition in After Effects. Let's get started. Before we continue, if you want these exact shakes, I've linked my AM Film Shake preset pack in the description. Just drag and drop and your edits instantly look more dynamic. Alright, let's get back to it. First move to the end of your first clip. From that point, go back 5 frames by pressing the page up key. Now drag your second clip so it overlaps the first layer by those 5 frames. Move forward 5 frames and split the top layer into 2 pieces. This 5-frame overlap on the left will serve as our transition layer. Move to the beginning of that layer and mask out your object. I'll use Mocha AE for the masking. Select the ellipse tool and mask the wheel as precisely as possible. Once you're finished, enable perspective and click the track forward button. After the tracking is complete, click save and close Mocha. Finally, under the Mocha effect, expand matte and click create AE masks. On the same layer, apply the tint effect. Change the matte black to color to white, and set the amount to tint to about 90%. Move to the beginning of the layer and click the stopwatch icon next to amount to tint to add your first keyframe. Now move forward 1 frame and change the value to 0%. Move forward another frame and set it to 85%. Advance 1 more frame, setting it back to 0%, then move forward again and set it to 75%. Finally, go to the very end of the layer and set the value to 0%. Let's quickly preview the result. Now press F key on your keyboard to reveal the mask feather settings. Increase the value slightly to soften the edges of the mask. I think a value of 35 looks good. For the final touch and a smoother transition, I'm going to add a shake effect. I'll be using one from the AM Film Shakes pack. You can find the link to the pack in the description, where you can watch my other shake tutorials here on the channel. Let's take a look at the final result, and we're all set. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.